I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold